Just a pilot in his cockpit seated. Black leather on his ass, keep a hustler heated.
Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. So what we got going on today is we're going to be taking the car to Sirius HP to get it checked out. But first I have to fix it all. And we got the last one right here. Alright, looks all complete. I don't think I messed with anything else. Let me turn it on. Give you guys a cold start. See how this guy sounds. Hasn't been started in 2-3 days. Close this slowly. Maybe that was better. I called Sirius HP this morning and I let them know that the leak is in the condenser somewhere. You know, with the understanding that they understand also that it might have been something they did. So if it's something they did, then they'll fix it, you know, free of charge. But if it's not, then I'm gonna have to go to the dealership and try to do it under warranty, which is gonna be fun. But I think they'll do it, but we'll just see. I mean, I have no idea. We'll have to see where it's leaking first, and Sirius HP is gonna check that out for me. So right now it's 81 out, and it's supposed to get
left onto I-10.
And it's supposed to get even hotter. So that's gonna be fun if I can't get this fixed soon, because just at 81, I mean, it sucks not having AC. Like, I usually have it on all the time. And I mean, I just roll down the windows every once in a while, but most of the time I got the AC on. I like it being a little bit quieter. It's one thing I like about this car, it's quiet.
You have reached your destination on the right.
Alright, pulling up here at Sirius HP. Look at this guy. Just like mine. Alright, they're taking the car back to put it on a lift. Let's see what they got here. God, this Viper is sick. An LSD. I love it. It looks pretty unassuming too. I bet that thing sounds sick. It's awesome. This Miata, I wonder what he's getting done. This thing's gonna be quick. Is this Miata getting a supercharger? This thing's gonna be awesome. Or like a little, who makes them?
Little Edelbrock one.
Little Edelbrock? Cool.
Pick up like 100 horsepower, maybe a little bit less. It's nothing fantastic, but this is the second one we've done.
My wife is gonna love this because she likes this color. This thing looks pretty sick. This thing is one of the cleanest SRT 10s I've ever seen. Well, besides when they were new. Most of them are all messed up now. This thing just looks sick. Beautiful truck, and I think these are all manual, right? Yep. Okay, so I am now back from Sirius HP. So the deal was, and let me show you here. So one of the AC lines got rubbed raw by this guy right now. That is hot. By this guy right here, and this is the drain line for the Supercharger. So this line is apparently abrasive enough to eat through one of the AC lines that was running right next to it. I can't exactly even tell where it was, but the Sirius HP folks took some stuff off, and they found the problem. So needless to say, it is related to the Supercharger, so they will be covering it. So that is a good thing. So tomorrow I'm going to go over there, and they are going to replace the line, which is this line right here. This one that goes here, and then through here, and then apparently somewhere around here it hooks in. So that's what happened, and that's why it's not working. And I'm glad it was something somewhat simple. Tomorrow I'm going to take the car over to Sirius HP to have them replace the line and fill it up with R1234YF. So we should be in good shape. So that's all it was. Glad it wasn't the condenser, and I'm actually glad it wasn't something major, but it's just kind of surprising that one of those steel braided lines can rub against a aluminum AC hose enough till it actually ruptures the AC line. When they first said that, I found it hard to believe. I was like, wow. I mean, it ate through just through vibration. Wow, that's insane. I mean, those steel braided lines are no joke. They're heavy, and they're kind of they have texture, so it's kind of like a serrated edge against the line. But you just wouldn't expect there to be enough movement between the two to actually rub through the line. But apparently there was. Go figure. So tomorrow, hopefully I will have AC. If not, it'll be on Thursday. And other than that, we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Tomorrow I'll be taking the car down there. I'll probably post a video on that at some point. It's not very exciting. I mean, this thing's not very exciting as a whole, but the whole point was for me to be transparent on the car when I would put the Supercharger in, because there was a lot of debate, and I did a lot of research. I actually made several videos on it before I put the Supercharger on there. I wanted to make sure it was going to be reliable, and no one could really come up with a general consensus on whether or not it was okay. A lot of people said it blew it up. A lot of people said it was fine. So I just pulled the trigger, and I told everybody I would show everything that went wrong with it, or right. And obviously I've shown. So sometimes we're going to get some videos that are kind of boring, like this AC issue, but the whole point is just to be transparent, so you can see what kind of stuff can break due to the Procharger. And the AC isn't one that you would think about breaking, especially not in the manner it did. So crazy. Peace, everybody.
Just a pilot in his cockpit seated. Black leather on his ass, keep keep a hustler heated. Weed is engaging the pavement. Brother escorts like I'm seeking arrangement. Push the gas, escalate the gauges, escalate hits on a cam.